Welcome to Excel from beginner to advanced. Today let's talk about SumIf function in Excel. The purpose of use SumIf function if we would like to sum or total the amount with condition. Here is the formula of SumIf. We have range, category, and sum range. Range is the area of condition. It can be both of a value or text. Category is the condition of result we want to get. Sum range the area data we want to calculate and it match with category. To understand it more clearly, we need to go to example 1. Here is the cell data of salesperson. We have a lot of data, around almost 100 lines from different salesperson in different invoice. So we have two scenarios. One, we need to summary the total amount of each salesperson. We would to see the total amount from each salesperson, and we would like to see the total amount in a zone. So we list all the salesperson that we have, and here we put a total for calculate the total amount, the total of amount that salesperson sell. So we can write the formula of SumIf. Okay, so our range is salesperson. We click, we use Control Shift and scroll down. We use arrow key to scroll down, comma. Here we need to fix cell. We click F4 to fix our cell, and our category is cell 1. Here, comma, and sum. Range. We use Control Shift, narrow down, and press F4, and we click Enter. So we need to verify our salesperson 1 is that our result is 3,648. It is correct data or not. So we need to filter. If we don't know the formula, we need to go to filter, salesperson, and we sum the amount. Okay, you can see the total amount, the sum is 3,648. It is correct. We can repeat our formula by write SumIf function, or we can double click it to down, okay, for check our data. Here we need to press F4 to make sure our data is correct. Okay. Okay, we can double click, and here is the zone. We write SumIf range. Our range is zone because it's the area zone that our condition, and also press F4 because we fit our range, category, and sum amount. Okay, so we just double click, we just double click our data. Here is our example for today. Here about our solution is we use SumIf because our problem have condition in each line. Thank you for your watching today. If you have any question, please comment below. Thank you.